Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a really custom map using PamPam. We're going to go through the map styles and the map settings to see how you can customize your map once you have the initial setup. My name's Helena and I'm the co-founder of PamPam, a tool to help you make custom maps. All right, so let's get started. I have a map here, so I already have my core spots in there. Check out some of the other tutorials to find out how to add places to it. But what we're gonna do now is kind of like further customize it, and I'll show you the different customization options in the map settings. So make sure you're in edit mode, and then you're gonna see this toolbar below, and then you're gonna click on the gear icon, map and panel settings. So this is what the default is gonna look like. So classic looks like this. Atlas is for when you wanna use this kind of like as an AI map. That's gonna use the data from the map itself. Locator, what that's gonna do is let people search by location or zip code. They're gonna be able to search here, and then this is gonna filter down this list for that location. So that's really helpful for store locators, realty maps, or even directories. Another thing you can do is turn on this pop-up modals. So what this is gonna look like is essentially, it's gonna give you a full map view, and you can expand the panel at any point. And then when you click on one of these spots, you're gonna see this pop-up modal here. And this is also gonna work like this on mobile. So all the maps are fully mobile responsive. All right, now let's go back into classic, and we'll leave pop-up modals on. Now what we're gonna do is go to the list settings. So here we have this list style. This is the default, so this is medium. Now let's try no image. What you can also do is turn on kind of these other descriptions. So let's say I wanted to show the address. That's how I would do that. You can also show buttons here. So this is no image. You get these different options. This is a large style, so this is going to show your cover photo kind of large. So it works less well, I would say, with these logos, but if you have a picture, that works really nicely. And then this is small. This is almost going to look like a little legend right here. So that's how you customize the list style. And then the pins are how the pins actually look on the map. So we have standard, or we have event, link, profile, image. So we can go like this. You can kind of see it a little different. There we go. All right, so that's an overview of the map settings, including the different panel modes, the list style, which actually changes the list items themselves, and then the pins, which change the pins right here. So that's going to be how you're going to customize your map in terms of how it looks with the panel and how you're interacting with it. When you actually go to embed your map, you'll see that you have different settings here. Showing the panel on mobile, we'll have like this full panel coming up from the bottom. Showing tap to interact will show kind of an overlay where people can click tap to interact to actually interact with the map first. And then, like I said, lots of other ways to customize, including the themes. You can also create your own custom theme as well. So check out some of the other tutorials for that. Thank you so much, and let me know if you have any comments or questions below.